In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage macro settings in Microsoft Excel and control whether macros run or not. Macros are powerful tools that let Excel automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort, but they can also pose security risks if not managed properly. That's why Excel includes the Trust Center, a dedicated area where you can control exactly how macros behave. Understanding these settings ensures you can work efficiently while keeping your files safe. To start, open Microsoft Excel and look to the upper left corner. Click the File tab to access the main menu, where you can manage workbooks, customize Excel, and adjust advanced settings. From here, scroll down and select Options at the bottom of the menu. This opens the Excel Options window, which contains all the tools you need to configure the program. Within Excel Options, focus on the panel on the left side and click Trust Center. This section handles security and privacy settings, allowing you to control how Excel interacts with different types of content. Once inside, click the button labeled Trust Center Settings to open the detailed security panel. Here, you'll find Macro Settings, which is the key area for managing how macros run. When you click Macro Settings, you'll see several choices. You can completely disable macros, disable them but receive notifications when they're present, or enable only macros that are digitally signed. There's also an option to enable all macros, including older Excel 4.0 macros and VBA macros, though this may reduce security if you open files from untrusted sources. Select the option that best suits your workflow. If you regularly work with trusted files, enabling macros can save time. If security is a concern, choosing the setting that disables macros or provides notifications helps prevent unintended code from running automatically. After making your selection, click OK to confirm the changes. Then click OK again in the Excel Options window to apply your new settings. Your macro preferences are now active, allowing Excel to run macros according to the rules you just configured. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.